We often forget that this is the place where life originated. How much of who we are as a planet is related to our oceans, and how our future is connected to them. Italy is deploying an ecosystem of blue technologies to safeguard natural resources. Seas and oceans assess and prevent geological, environmental and climate risks, disseminate scientific knowledge and apply research to technological and socio-economic growth. The Italian icebreaker Laura Bassi supports the polar scientific community. An Italian research vessel capable of operating in Antarctica and the Arctic, obtaining information never gathered before in areas that are witnesses of Earth history, as well as prophets of our future. Using multiple advanced technologies, Italian researchers are today able to monitor and explore oceans' dynamics and environmental changes. The Earth speaks to us, and we must know how to listen to it. When we have the right tools, the sea gives us answers all the time. Floats are instruments carried passively by sea currents. They rise and fall under the surface up to 2,000 meters, measuring temperature, salinity, and biogeochemical properties to transmit to global satellite systems. Gliders are small autonomous underwater vehicles that carry out observations of the upper kilometre of the ocean, filling the data gaps left by the existing observing systems. Buoys provide us with important data about the health of the water, including temperature, a fundamental parameter not only for the marine ecosystem, but for the entire environment. With their GPS positioning systems, drifters make it possible to map sea currents. Collected data is used for oceanographic and climate research, representing an Italian contribution to global monitoring networks. Above the surface, aircrafts equipped with thermoscan cameras and CO2 surveying systems are used to detect marine phenomena as cold and warm springs or jellyfish blooms. Data from satellites are interpreted to develop models and simulations for oceanographic studies through big data and supercomputers. With the objective of limiting increases in temperature by 2050, controlling natural emissions of CO2 and other geogases, the island of Panarea in Italy is an extraordinary natural laboratory from which to study the effects of climate change, to develop monitoring techniques, and to study the impacts on the ecosystem. Italian technologies also contribute towards the global effort in preventing and reducing geological risks, through the development of monitoring and rapid impact assessment tools, and by sharing knowledge of diverse natural phenomena, in particular tsunami, earthquakes, landslides, coastal erosion, marine geohazards, and their consequences. Italian advanced technologies are also used to prevent industrial risks at sea. For example, analysing the biological surroundings of offshore regasification platforms. Research results must be linked to the industrial and productive sectors to ensure cutting-edge know-how and technological advancement contribute to economic growth. Remotely operated vehicles and subsea sensors are key enabling technologies in the big challenge of submarine explorations and safety assessments. To help move innovations from the lab to the marketplace, it is important to invest in building capacities and develop skills that respond to the market labour needs. Training people and institutions in advanced techniques to explore our seas and oceans and to respond to environmental risks and global crises. Our oceans and seas are our biggest asset. That's why every day, Italy is using and improving blue technologies to move towards a brighter future for all of us.